Good morning students, this is Joy Varghese from Uncovering Chemistry. Today we are going to start with a new chapter. You can see on the board, it is Unit 8 Redox Reaction. Clear? Now this is our video 1 in which we will discuss about the introduction part of the redox reaction, and also we will discuss about what we call it as different definition what you have studied till now for redox reaction. That is, oxidation and reduction. Clear? So now, when we talk about this, just a minute, oxidation, before starting that oxidation, we know redox reaction. What is the meaning of the word? The redox reaction is what we call addition of two words, that is reduction plus oxidation is equal to what we call it as redox reaction. That is reduction reaction plus oxidation reaction is equal to redox reaction, what we call, right? Now, always remember, we have studied or we have heard about that where there is smoke there is fire. Clear? So always remember, in any chemical reaction where there is oxidation there is reduction, what we call. Understood? So most of the reaction are based on this, that is redox reaction, which we will be studying in our what we call next topics, what we are going to learn, what we say. Okay. Now first, before starting this, we will see the definition, what we call it as, of redox reaction. Before starting that, we will see oxidation. What does oxidation means and what you have studied till now. Clear? So you must have studied in your lower classes, that is oxidation. When we say, what is oxidation means? So we say oxidation means a reaction in which oxygen is added. Reaction in which oxygen is added is called oxidation reaction. Is called what? Oxidation reaction. Right? Now this you have studied in your lower classes. Now simple example what you have done in your lab also, if you remember, Mg plus O2 gives you what? MgO, what we call, that is magnesium oxide. Now in this case it is not balanced, so here I will write like this, 2 as a coefficient, what we write for balancing the reaction, that you studied in 10th also. Okay. Now in this case, when you see here magnesium, to magnesium oxygen is being added. That's why we call a reaction in which oxygen is added is called, what we call it as, oxidation reaction. Now there are various definition of oxidation, what we call it as, that is addition of oxygen is there. Then in your textbook, I think it is given there in your textbook, addition according to classical concept, like that the word is being used, that is it is defined as the addition of oxygen or addition of electronegative element to a substance, or removal of hydrogen or removal of electropositive element from a substance. Now for this, I will give you one nice example so you will understand this one by one. Okay. So just a minute for that. Just a minute. So I'll rub this part. In this case, I think this part is clear to you. That is the reaction in which what we call it as, what is oxygen is added is called oxidation. Okay. Now the reaction in which oxygen is added, like this, one nice definition we will write based on this type. Clear? I will just write. You can also write down in your fair book this related to definition. Definition of oxidation. Definition of oxidation. Clear? Now you can write this according to classical concept. According to classical concept, what you have studied till now. According to classical concept, we can say it is defined as clear? According to classical concept, it is defined as the addition addition of what? Oxygen. Clear? Or what we call it as addition of oxygen or electronegative element. Electronegative element to a substance. Clear? This word is we can underline this with a different color pen. Addition, here the word is addition of what we call it as oxygen or what we call it as electropositive. Oxygen or electronegative element to a substance, what we call it as to a substance or removal. The word is clear. Removal of hydrogen or electropositive element from a substance is called oxidation, right? So in this case, if you see, we saw 4 definitions of what we call it as oxidation. That is addition of oxygen or electronegative element, removal of hydrogen or electropositive element is called what we call it as oxidation. So this definition you can write down in your fair book. Now one by one example I will give based on this. Now here you can see example 1 for addition of oxygen. Clear? Addition of oxygen example, simple combustion reaction what you studied in your lower classes, that is methane when it is burned in presence of air, what we call it as. Now this both are in gaseous state, what we call. Okay, so methane when burned in air, you will get CO2 carbon dioxide plus H2O. Now this balancing you can go do it by yourself also. Here I am writing it directly. Clear? Now in this case, this is gas and this is in liquid form. Okay, so in this case if you see here, addition of oxygen, when we say, you can see oxygen is added at this position to carbon. Okay, and hydrogen, if you see here, it is removed. Hydrogen is removed from here and oxygen is being added, what we call. Understood? What we call. So here, based on this definition, that is classical concept, that is addition of oxygen. So here addition of oxygen, this is being oxidized, what we can say, carbon. So addition of oxygen, you can write down this example, what is given here, that is example number 1 for addition of oxygen. Now another is what we call it as removal. What is the word? Removal of addition of electronegative element. Clear? So addition of electronegative element, for that we will write the example, you can see here, addition of electronegative element. Now for that, one nice example is there, Mg plus F2 give you, I think you can see here, Mg plus F2 will give you what? MgF2, like this. Okay. Now you will ask here, what is electronegative? So according to a concept what we have studied here, fluorine is electronegative. Fluorine. So I will just adjust the camera just a little minute. Okay. Now you can see here, fluorine is just electronegative here. Electronegative. Clear? So fluorine is added to magnesium, you can see here. So addition of electronegative element to a substance is here magnesium, is called what we call it as, what is it called? What is it called? Oxidation. Understood? So here fluorine is electronegative, which is added to magnesium. Understood this part? Now the next, that is the remaining. Now we will talk about the removal of hydrogen. Removal of hydrogen and all that we will see. Removal of hydrogen and removal of electropositive. Right? So I will just change this, just a minute. So now we will see the example based on removal. Removal of hydrogen will be one example what we will see. That is example number 3. And then we will see removal of electropositive element. Clear? Removal of electropositive element. Okay. So now in this case, if you see the example, you can see here removal of hydrogen we will see first. So for this one complex is there, if you heard about K4 FeCN6, potassium ferrocyanate you have heard about, I think. So K4 FeCN6, this is a complex. When it is being treated with water, I will take here hydrogen peroxide. This is what? Hydrogen peroxide. Clear? Peroxide. Okay. So hydrogen peroxide when K4 FeCN6 potassium ferrocyanate is being treated with hydrogen peroxide, what you will get? You will see that 2K3 FeCN6. So here if you see, it will be 2K3 FeCN6. Okay. Plus if you see here the remaining, here K4 is there and here only K3. So what is being removed? An electropositive element is being removed. Okay. So I will underline here. See, here 4 potassium is there and here only 3. So electropositive, sorry. Just a minute. We made a mistake. Okay, do one thing. Removal of, I will write here, electropositive. Okay, and this one I will write here of hydrogen. Clear? That I will explain later because I was talking about this electropositive. So here removal of electropositive element. Here electropositive is potassium. We have removed. What we got here? K4 and here K3 is there. K3 FeCN6 plus here it will be byproduct will be 2KOH. Understood? So this is that K what is being removed from here. Okay. Now this will come in your higher classes, this complex compounds and all. Okay. So in this case, electropositive element, that is potassium, is being removed. That's why it is called what? Oxidation. Now removal of hydrogen, one example we will take. Removal of hydrogen. So in that 2H2S, what is the word? Plus O2. This is also a gas. So 2H2S plus O2 gives you what? 2S plus 2H2O. Understood? So here if you see here, removal of hydrogen, you can see hydrogen is being removed from sulfur, what we say. Right? So removal of hydrogen is also what we call it as oxidation. So in this case there are 4 examples what we have seen. That is, first one what we have seen, addition of oxygen and addition of electronegative in that fluorine what we saw. Then we saw removal of electropositive or removal of hydrogen. So this is an example of removal of electropositive in which potassium is being removed, what we say. And in this case removal of hydrogen, you can see hydrogen is removed from sulfur. That's why we call this as an oxidation reaction. Understood this part? So this was all an example of what we call it as 4 definitions of only of oxidation, right? Now in the next video we will be discussing about the definition of what we call it as all redox reduction, what we call. What we will discuss about of reduction, what we say. Understood this part? So here we will come to an end, what we say, of our video. In the next video we will be continuing with the definition, what we say, of reduction. Clear? 4 types what we discuss in oxidation, same we will discuss in what we call it as reduction, and then we will go to redox, what we say. Understood? So till then go through it, write down all the things what we have written here on the board, and complete your text notebook. Your checking will be there of your notebooks nearly. Okay, that is in the next week, what we say. Okay, so please complete it. Okay, thank you very much.